The Hella ValueFit driving lights high-performance LEDs and a precisely calculated reflector create the ideal light you need when you need it. Count on Hella. Aluminum die-cast housing provides effective heat dissipation via cooling ribs on the back and an extremely lightweight design. Off-road use only. This light will fit your needs for trucks, cars, SUVs, all-terrain vehicles and pretty much anything you can imagine. Ideal low power consumption of 22.5 W and multivolt 10 to 30 VDC. This listing includes LED driving lights, mounting brackets, stone shields, relay, wiring harness, switch, hardware and mounting instructions. The Hella ValueFit Design 500 LED driving lights kit features innovative LED auxiliary driving lights with high-power LEDs and striking accent light design. This unmistakable design has a full-surface reflector and Hella ValueFit lettering on the front. The bracket enables the headlight to be mounted in various positions. Rotating it through 180 degrees allows the headlight to be placed further forward. This kit comes with mounting brackets, hardware, stone shields, relay, wiring harness, switch and mounting hardware. Top reviews from the United States. Top notch. Hella never lets me down. High quality construction, easy mounting, super powerful, excellent beam pattern.